Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows upgrade error 0x800705AA on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Troubleshoot in the right pane, select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and fix that if possible. The next solution is to run the operation in the clean boot state. So, search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any of the services checked, click on Disable All, Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And lastly, if everything else fails, then you can reset Windows Update components, and this is something that will actually work. Okay, so it's very easy. I will be giving you a script in the description section of the video. Simply copy this script and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste all of these commands here and hit enter. Wait. And hit enter. Now this will stop all the services. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root to folders. It will create a new profile. It will re-register all the associated DLLs, and finally it will reset WinSock and then restart the services, and then you will be able to use Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.